Happy birthday!
Let's start time, make it ours. Life's too short, let's leave a mark. We don't know how it goes, how the story unfolds. You say life is not what it seems. We could wake up like it's all just a dream.
Hi guys, so ito na yung look natin for today. Nakaligo na rin tayo. I am all ready and set. Kaya pakita ko sa inyo ang OOTD ko. So alam nyo ba guys, dati itong dress na to, ilang years na to sa akin. Before, hindi ko siya masuot ng maayos. Parang pang top lang siya kasi sobrang taba ko. Pero ngayon nagkasya siya and I'm very very happy that it fits me well. So anyhow, I'm all set for today. My brother is here. Wait, pakita ko ang luggage ko sa inyo, ha? Sige lang. Bibidyo.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog!
Wow, debak!
Ano diba? Diba?
Wow!
Diba?
Diba, amazing. That's so amazing. Oh my. Kasi lang feeling ko may buhaya dyan. Huh? Lolong. Welcome to Gimbal. Dito na kami ngayon sa Gimbal Church. Guys. So dumaan muna kami dito para mag-pray. Yan. To start our journey. Kasi nga ma-admit ako, diba? So ayan, magpe-pray tayo and mag-wish since first kasama ko sila. Mag-hi ka, Lin. Hi. Hi, guys. Now, close tong church. Ayan, dito muna kami. Nag-pray. Ayan, may candles. Asan dyan si Mama Mary. Hi, guys. Adoration Chapel. May chapel pala dito, Lino. Oo. Ambay. Tingnan natin kung bukas ang chapel. Adoration Chapel. Ay, closed din.
Sarado. Ganda mo.
Ang napulo ka, sugo sang Diyos. Magtuo ka sa Diyos ang ilang. Hindi makinganganan ang ngalan ng Diyos sa mga kasalanan. Para sa gusto mo ang adlaw sang Ginoo. Pura ang imo ay pag-ibig. Dili ka magpatay, dili ka magpasal bako sa katangay. Dili ka magpangakwa, dili ka magpuli, dili ka magtalingag sa asawa sang imo isip na tao. Dili ka magkailog sa mga sa imo isip na tao. Ganda ng Gimbal, guys. This is how it looks like. Ito yung plaza nila. Plaza of Gimbal. Tapos ito naman yung Gimbal Church. So, sa harap lang talaga niya. Here, nandito kami sa Airbnb namin. So, nandun lang yung dagat, guys. Yan lang yung dagat. And we are going in. Meron silang ganito, pangluto. Kettle.
Wala ako namin. Yan ang yan.
We are now here at the hospital. It's my admission day. And ayun, dami nilang tanong, besh. For now, I feel pain on my right side, right kidney. Masakit siya. Inaatake na naman siya ng sakit. Natadtad ata sa biyahe. 2 oras kasi ako nasasakyan. Tapos, alam mo yun, masakit niya sa tagiliran. Ngayon, pasakit ng pasakit, Lord. Kayo na bahala sa akin, Lord. So, binigyan nila ako ng welcome kit. Ayan. So, dito sa St. Paul's, they have the patient's guide. So, ito yung visiting hours nila, which is very important. visiting hours. So, meron silang private room, ward, ICU. So, syempre, hindi tayo mapupunta sa ICU. Huwag natin ipagdasal yan. Private rooms lang tayo. So, private rooms, 9 to 12, 3 to 8. And ito naman schedule ng food. 6 to 7, 11 to 12, and 4 to 6. May pa-daily mass din sila. Ayun. And they have this client satisfaction survey. Diba? And your admission guidelines. Video ya. Good morning guys. So, it's morning. Happy Ash Wednesday. Natanggal yung ano ko. May pumunta kanina dito na madre. Nag-pray siya. Tapos, naglagay sa amin ng ganyan. And then, yun, wala pa breakfast ko. So, take tayo ng mga meds. It turns out na meron pala akong, ano yun sabi ni Doc? Allergic.
Allergies sa ilok.
Oo. An allergic rhinitis. Meron pala ako noon. So, pinapatik niya ako nito. Nasal hygiene. Humor. Tapos meron din ako nito. Fluticasone, propionate, and also budesonides. Tataka kayo kung nasaan ako ngayon. Nandito pa tayo sa hospital. And yan, nakikita nyo, naka-admit po tayo. Diba? And meron akong injection dito. So, sa mga CKD warriors ko dyan, laban lang tayo, guys. Sakit na. Meron tayong kidney removal and kasama ko dito yung Celine. Ayan, Celine. Dito nga ako ngayon sa hospital kasi meron akong kidney removal surgery. And this kidney removal surgery is considered as a major operation. So, hindi lang siya basta-basta. Andito na ako. We already planned this ahead of time pa with my doctor, urology, si Doc Sancho from St. Paul. And yeah, he's been taking care of me. So far naman dito sa St. Paul, in fairness, diba, ang bilis lang ng admission and nurses are very friendly at maalaga. Malalambing sila dito guys, malalambing. Today, kahapon na-admit na ako and then kagabi nalipat na ako dito sa room ko from the ward and I started taking some medication. Hindi pa talaga ng major medication, but may pinapainom pa rin nila sa akin may normal medicine or parang maintenance ko. Kasi I've been drinking that medicine ever since day 1. So I have the Concord, Neurobion, and then last night meron akong pulmo because I still have asthma. I have a history of asthma since I was younger. And last night, di ba tulog na ako last night, may mga pumapasok. May nurse na pumasok. Wala ako sa ulirat. Nakapikit pa ako. May ina-explain siya sa akin pero hindi ko maintindihan. Sinusulatan ko siya mismo sa box para hindi ko makalimutan kung anong oras siya, kung ilang beses ko dapat i-take in a day. Ito yung card ko. I'm blood type O positive. So itong blood card na ito, gagamitin to for their blood bank requesting of blood O positive. Kasi kailangan daw ng 2 units because this will be a major operation and I will be needing blood. So let's hope for the best. Natingnan ako ni Lynn guys. Nagsasabi dito parang baliw.
Kamay lang sa ko.
Alam nyo ba guys, nagdala na kami ng makapal ng kumot kasi alam ko talaga lalamigin talaga ako dito sa hospital bed. Hindi ako magiging happy. Meron tayong ganito. Ayun natin yung bigyan. Every time pala may deliver silang food sa room nyo, sa hospital room nyo, you always need to check this. Kasi doon mo malalaman kung anong klase ng food ang dinideliver nila sa iyo. Kasi nagkakamali rin yung mga dietitian or yung dietary department or yung pantry nila, nagkakamali rin sila. So, yung first deliver nila sa akin, ito, pinokollect ko yan siya. Yung first deliver nila sa akin, nakalagay not specified. Diba? Sabi ko, di ba dapat di ganito yung meal plan ko? Dapat po, renal diet kasi na may CKD tayo. No. tuna with vegetables, guys, and rice. Yum! Guys, ayun na nga guys, hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo. Nawala na sa isip ko mag-video, hindi ko pala na-record. So, I had some few visitors recently. I had my cousin visited me. And then, family members like my brother, nandito, syempre, yung girlfriend ng brother ko, si Trish. Hi, Trish! Tapos si Papa, dumating na rin si Papa sa wakas. I'm so happy, nandito Papa ko. And, you know, I'm just really happy I am surrounded with my family right now kasi alam niyo yung nangyari sa akin before na nasa coma ako. Before that, no one knew na mapupunta ako sa critical state, na makakoma ako for a month. Before that, hindi ko nakita yung family ko. No one's around me. Mag-isa lang ako sa hospital. And suddenly, I was in a critical state and nasa ICU ako. Binibisita na pala ng mga family ko. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung mga binibisita sa akin doon. Kaya this time, this major surgery, I know nagiging OA na ako sa lahat. But I went through so much. And it's kind of traumatizing. But somehow, I am blessed that I am given this chance at the second life to see my family. Medyo pabebe tayo ngayon. Pabebe tayo sa family ko. I'm trying to be sweet to them, to be expressive, and I want them to be around. And nagpapababy na tayo sa kanila because why not? And then tomorrow, guys, so mangyayari niyan is tomorrow na yung surgery ko for my kidney removal. So, update. My blood type is O positive and they asked if I knew someone na pwede mag-donate. And yes, we have mga kabatch ng papa ko for a donation of blood type O positive. So, I'm very thankful na there are people willing to support and help us all throughout. Nag-visit pala sa akin yung cousin ko. Tapos nireguluhan niya ako ng ganito. So, actually, meron siyang grocery. Ayan, sinusuot ko na siya. It's just a plastic grocery. And, by the way, guys, happy Ash Wednesday to everyone. Sa mga kapwa kong Catholic dyan, it's Ash Wednesday. I had a nun this morning went in. I requested for a prayer for Ash Wednesday. So, a nun came in and did a prayer to me. And then, ito, nagganyan siya sa forehead ko. Although, natanggal na kasi nag-shower po ako. Yan, binigyan ako nito ni Babes, ng aking cousin. Yes. And meron din pong ganito. Healing Prayer by Padre Pio. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mother.
Love you!
Mama, chup chup.
Love you.
1, 2, 3.
Wish! Hindi ka nag-wish! Birthday na ni Leila! Birthday na ni Leila!
Is it only me? Do you feel I'm sinking? Trying desperately. Something changed, yeah. You don't see it, but I can feel it everywhere. It's funny how things change in an instant. Doesn't take much thinking, but everyone can feel it.
Sino ko na ka? Okay.
I just got out of operating room. I thought it was just 1 to 2 hours of operation, but my family were waiting and no one's talking to them. They don't know what's happening. And it turns out after 5 to 6 hours, they finished the operation. Para viral. Life has a way of testing us in ways we never expect. One moment you're living your normal routine, and the next you're lying in a hospital bed, preparing to lose a part of yourself, literally. Well, it's sad, but somehow we have to accept that everything happens for a reason, and we still need to be hopeful for the future. What comes next? What other things life has to offer instead of giving up? Because why not, right?